Okay, welcome back. Basically, when we talk about research writing, or we're talking about project reports writing, or project writing, as others do call it, it's a form of technical writing. When we say technical writing is any type of writing, any form of writing that is majorly particular, or that is aimed at communicating complex information. I have complex information that I want to communicate, and I'm looking for a way to communicate that complex information effectively to a specific audience or a group of audience. And that specific audience that I intended to communicate my complex information to, it might be in a particular industry, or in a particular field of engineering, or in an area of science, meaning it's sectional. It is not a kind of writing that you generalize for all categories of a possible reader or viewer. So that is why we refer to it as technical writing. It is majorly or usually for a group of audience, not for the general public. However, having technical writing, other field too, one of the features that it should have, all this technical writing, is that anybody should be able to pick it up and at least be able to have insights into what you have written, and that is what it means. And basically, when you talk about technical writing, there are a lot of different writing that falls under it. And very good examples, I will be listing them, are user manuals, the one we usually have when we buy our product, our television, our radio, our electronics, our machines. They comes with user manual guiding you or giving you instructions regarding the assembly, regarding the operation procedure, or at times they call it operational manual. And then at times it can even be troubleshooting guide, like, this equipment, if you use it, you have challenges, how do you go about it? Before you call a technician or an engineer, what are the first aid that you would give to it? That's a tech user manual. You can imagine such a writing. Anybody should pick it up, having that product. That's why we said it's a writing specific audience. If you don't have that product, that thing is not for you. However, you should be communicative. Anybody that picks it up should have basic idea about. Of course, it is when you have that product that you'll be able to now know to be able to navigate around it based on the information that has been put together. So such a writing, that is user manual, that comes with products, is a technical writing. Another very good example is product specifications. It gives a description of product features, capabilities, the technical requirements, and a whole lot of other information. You have your research papers, and the one